Welcome everyone. In this video I want to show you a trick that I came across with this Samsung oven. Now I've done other videos on how to put the burners back and so on, how to remove these back burner plates. So now here's something that's really been bugging the living daylights out of me. Even if you spray this down really good, you see all the crumbs that get caught between the rubber gasket and the stove and the faceplate. Really tough to get out. So I want to show you a trick that I learned. Now a lot of you will probably seeing where this is going and good for you, but some people may not know this trick. So let me show you. I'm going to take these grates off and then we're going to get back to this. Okay, first thing you do is get a good cleaner. I use Citrusolve, really good, natural. It doesn't kill you with poisons. And what we're going to do is spray along the gasket and let that kind of soak up the crumbs inside. And then check this out. You're like, now I know where he's going, right? So just take a paper towel, fold it over the knife, right? And then you're going to take it and stick it in the slot and come on down like that. All right, I'm going to show you a close-up view. Okay, check that out. All the way down. Right? Until we get over the edge. Some of that might drop out. Okay. Let's pull this back out so you can see. Look at all that garbage. And then you can take it and do it one more time. All right, we want to get in between the stove and the rubber flange, because that's where everything falls into. Okay. And then wipe the top edge. Okay, so let's do a close-up. So look at that, nice and clean. All the crumbs are gone. And now the stove will look a lot more presentable. Now the only other thing I haven't figured out is how to get the stains off the tops of the burner plates on top. Now separate from ordering these and putting new ones on, who knows how long they would last. It would be nice to find a way to clean the stains off this, because of course if you burn food on these, yeah, of course you can scrape that off, but there's going to be stains that are left. So if anyone out there has any suggestions, comments on addressing that situation, I appreciate it. I'm going to keep looking out for a way to clean the stains there. But anyway, hope this little trick with the butter knife and the towel and the spray helped you out. Appreciate it if you get thumbs up. And thanks for watching. Catch you in the next video.